Here are 10 powerfully creative websites you should know. Part 2. From design inspiration, resource news, everything I've got you covered, and they can all be found in the links down in the description. First is Musli, which is an inspiration browser extension that will automatically curate design, inspiration, and graphic trends every time you open a new tab. It's actually really cool. It pulls in content from leading design websites and communities to help you discover fresh ideas, daily inspiration, and it will help you keep up on evolving trends. It's a great resource for graphic designers, digital product designers, and creatives needing a daily dose of inspiration. Second is Same Energy. Now, Same Energy is a visual search engine that finds images based purely on visual style. Now, you can search or upload an image, and it will instantly generate a variety of similar images. It's extremely useful when building consistent mood boards or exploring styles you can't quite define in words. Because when you click on an image, it will use that visual as the source and immediately generate a new set of similar images for you to look through. It's a great resource for any visual designer, art directors, photographers, or creative and design professionals that need more cohesive imagery. Next up is Rebrand, and Rebrand is a website that showcases case studies for brand identity redesigns from all over the world. Now, these curators do a great job of highlighting the before and after transformations very clearly and concisely. It's super valuable because each article provides insights into how and why these successful brands are making these visual design decisions. So if you're a brand designer, strategist, creative director, or someone who works on a marketing team, be sure to bookmark this site. Number 4 is the DLine website, and this is entirely dedicated to packaging design, showcasing wonderful examples of product packaging across various industries. It is your go-to source for constant inspiration, detailed case studies, trend forecasts, everything specific to packaging and branding design. So it's obviously perfect for those packaging designers, any branding specialists, those product designers, and any marketers. Number 5 is Design Reviewed. Now, this is a resource and archive focused on historical and contemporary graphic design, typography, and branding. It provides deep dives into influential design works, articles, scans, commentary, everything that's going to help you grow in your graphic design knowledge. It's a helpful resource because you're going to get the context and understanding of iconic design work that has been found and used throughout history, helping you learn different principles that are going to influence your own design work. This resource is ideal for designers interested in history, any typography enthusiasts, educators, and of course, the graphic design student. Next is the Design Blog. Now, the Design Blog is an online resource that highlights high-quality, inspirational design, typography, web, and brand projects from all around the world. It's useful because it delivers well-curated, modern, contemporary design along with helpful interviews, case studies, and other features that are going to help you out. Now, it's great for students, freelance designers, brand professionals, or marketers that need more daily inspiration, especially those use cases. Number 7 is Poster Reposter, and this is an Instagram account dedicated exclusively to curating and reposting exceptional poster designs from talented designers all around the globe. It's helpful for quickly finding visual inspiration and observing current trends in poster and graphic design. So, if you're a graphic designer, illustrator, print designer, or someone that's just really interested in posters, and you're on Instagram, you definitely need to go and give this account a follow. Next is MindSparkle Mag, and that's an online magazine that curates design projects, branding, web, UX and UI projects, and motion design examples. It's helpful because it offers a steady flow of high-quality, inspirational projects and industry trends in a super visually appealing format. MindSparkle is great for digital designers, creative directors, branding and web designers, or anyone that's super passionate about contemporary design. Number 9 is ArtStation, and you might have heard of this one. It is a leading online platform for showcase, discovering, hiring talented artists in the fields like concept art or digital art, animation, game design, so much more. It's helpful for browsing portfolios of professional level artwork, learning industry techniques, and connecting with potential clients or collaborators. This site is especially relevant for you illustrators or concept artists, those of you that want to get into animation or game design or just digital art in general, but it can also be helpful for graphic designers since you can see styles that are trending and might influence your own packaging or poster or web projects. All right, lastly, number 10 is Typeroom, and Typeroom is an online platform dedicated entirely to typography, typefaces, lettering design news, and inspiration. It's helpful because it covers everything from new font releases to typographic histories and different trends in interviews or resources. It is an ideal resource for type designers, graphic designers that want to specialize in typography, students who are learning type design, and of course, anyone passionate or just want to geek out about fonts. Now, I have even more resources for you, so go ahead and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next video, and be sure to check the other videos here on the channel so you can learn how Kittl can help streamline your design workflow. You can sign up to use Kittl, by the way, using the link down in the description, where you're going to find all of the other website links I just talked about. And if you have other websites that creatives should know about, drop the names down in the comments. You can't post a link, otherwise YouTube's just going to take it away, but you can list the name of the resource, and I'm sure a lot of creatives would find that super beneficial. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.